Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of crypto trading, moving your cryptocurrencies to Binance. Whether you're looking to trade, invest, or simply manage your assets, knowing how to transfer your crypto efficiently is key. Let's break it down step by step. Understanding the basics before we jump into the process, let's clarify what Binance is and why you might want to transfer your crypto there. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offering a wide variety of coins and trading pairs. Moving your crypto to Binance can provide you with better trading options, liquidity, and tools for managing your investments. Why move to Binance? Here are a few reasons to consider transferring your crypto to Binance. Variety of coins. Binance supports numerous cryptocurrencies, allowing you to diversify your portfolio. Advanced trading features. From spot trading to futures, Binance offers various tools to enhance your trading experience. Security. Binance has robust security measures to protect your assets, making it a trusted choice for many traders. Step 1. Preparing your Binance account. First things first, let's ensure your Binance account is ready for receiving crypto. If you don't have an account yet, head over to Binance.com and sign up. Make sure to complete the verification process. For added security, verifying your account. Voice verification is crucial for security and compliance reasons. You'll need to provide some personal information and identification. This process can take a few minutes, so be patient. Step 2. Getting your Binance deposit address. Once your account is set up, it's time to get your deposit address. This address is essential for transferring your crypto. Navigating to the wallet section, log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section. You'll find options for fiat and spot. Click on that to see your available balances. Selecting the cryptocurrency. Now, find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Use the search bar or scroll down the list. Once you locate the coin, click on Deposit next to it. Copying the deposit address, you'll see your deposit address displayed. Make sure to select the correct network for the transfer. Different cryptocurrencies may have various networks, such as ERC20 for Ethereum. Click Copy to save this address for the next step. Step 3. Preparing the transfer from your wallet. Now that you have your Binance deposit address, it's time to initiate the transfer from your wallet. Open the wallet where your crypto is currently stored, whether it's a hardware wallet, software wallet, or another exchange. Selecting the cryptocurrency to transfer. Once you're in your wallet, locate the cryptocurrency you want to send. Click on it to access the transfer options. Pasting the Binance deposit address in the recipient address field. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Double check to ensure that it's correct. One wrong character can lead to lost funds. Entering the amount to transfer. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be mindful of leaving some funds in your wallet for transaction fees, as these can vary based on the network. Step 4. Confirming the transaction. Before finalizing the transfer, take a moment to review all the details. Confirm that the recipient address and the amount are accurate. Authorizing the transfer. Voiceover. Once everything looks good, proceed to authorize the transaction. Depending on your wallet, this may involve entering a password or using biometric authentication. Once you confirm, the transaction will be submitted. Step 5. Monitoring the transfer. Show visuals of transaction tracking. After initiating the transfer, you'll want to keep an eye on the transaction status. Many wallets allow you to view your transaction history, which can help you track its progress. Checking transaction confirmation. Transactions can take varying amounts of time to confirm, depending on the network congestion. You can also check the status using a blockchain explorer by pasting your transaction ID. Step 6. Verifying funds in Binance. Once your transaction is confirmed, head back to your Binance account. Go to the wallet section and refresh the page to check your balance. Refreshing your balance if you don't see the funds immediately. Try refreshing the page or logging out and back in. Sometimes it takes a moment for the system to update. Common issues and troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Here are some common problems and how to resolve them. Transaction not showing up if your transaction isn't appearing in Binance. First, check your wallet to see if it shows as completed. If it's still pending, you may need to wait a bit longer. Incorrect address used. If you accidentally send funds to the wrong address, it's crucial to act quickly. Unfortunately, transactions on the blockchain are irreversible, so double check your addresses in the future. Network selection errors. Always ensure you select the correct network for the transfer. If you sent your crypto on the wrong network, you may need to contact Binance support for assistance. Final thoughts on moving crypto, and there you have it. Moving your crypto to Binance is a straightforward process when you follow these steps. By ensuring you have the correct deposit address and network selected, you can manage your crypto assets efficiently. The importance of research, as always, remember to do your research and understand the fees associated with transfers. Each cryptocurrency has its own set of rules and costs, so being informed can save you money. Conclusion: thank you for joining me on this guide to moving your crypto to Binance. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy trading and enjoy your crypto journey.